Right, it's Crispy here at the United States Post Office in Largo, Florida. I'm here with Government Accountability, aka GA the Gladi Auditor, and he's coming in with me to see what we can see. Is it here? No. I don't see it in here. Yeah, there it is. I got it. I don't know when it's from though. It's from 2016.
You all have a great one. You're right, Wayne.
Twenty.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you need to turn that off. You're not allowed to do that.
That's not true, sir.
Yeah, it is true. You need to turn it off. You're not allowed to photograph in here.
Sir, I am, and I can show you the poster on your wall that says so. Es nuestro derecho, man. El primer derecho de los Estados Unidos es la libertad de la prensa. Y aquí, tú no sabes cuánta gente yo he visto que no han recibido correo en 3 meses. So, it's for your own good. For our own good, our rights.
Okay, I'm ready.
Thanks for understanding, sir.
No problem. Yeah, you're fine. I can help you. No problem.
I can't hear very well. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, who are you with? Why are you videotaping my lobby?
I am a horrible artist and I have a bad memory.
Unfortunately, I'm being sure you're not in the right customer service area. Most of those do not.
Again, I can't hear very well, ma'am. Can you repeat that, please? And who are you?
I'm Beverly, the supervisor. You have to ensure that you give my customers privacy if you wish to do this, but unfortunately, please avoid my customer transaction area to give my customers privacy.
I'm not interested in getting any of your customers' personal information, and they have no expectation of privacy in public. And I can show
And
you.
if they're doing financial transactions, that they wish to be private with what they're doing, with their own personal financial transactions as you would.
I understand.
So I respect their financial privacy.
What is your concern, Beverly? What do you think I'm getting?
Doesn't matter, sir. I'm just here to
It's
protect
really
my
nothing.
customers
It's
with
it's
financial
not a valid concern. It's an irrational fear, and I can show you your
Okay.
poster 7. Can you come look at it with me, please?
Okay, no, sir, because I'm not engaging in this issue.
Okay, you are
Just
actually.
Please avoid my customer payment area.
Right, you're giving me false directives, and I'm telling you, your poster on your wall says I can do this. Okay. Ma'am, there are a couple cameras up there as well.
But all the way down the line, I'm not sure if we're gonna take the time to do that. You know what I mean? You're doing it again.
I haven't stopped, sir.
I haven't stopped, sir. Sir, there's a poster right here on your own wall.
Does she know that you're still doing that?
Yeah, ask Beverly, please. Understand? Yes, sir.
Why are you doing this?
It's our right, sir.
No, it's not. These people have a right for privacy. You
In,
cannot be
in
videoing
public,
them.
they do not, sir.
Okay, I'm asking you to leave the premises,
For what reason?
because I just told you. They
No,
have
this
their
is not a
rights
private
also.
business. This is a public federal building. And you're not allowed to trespass me without me having committed a crime first. And I'm not committing a crime. I'm actually practicing a constitutionally protected act. The freedom of the press. And I can show you on poster 7 right here, your own rules, conduct on postal property, how I'm allowed to do this. You want to take a look?
I'm fully aware of it.
Okay. So, just a refresher, reminder. Okay. This is a civil rights audit, sir. Civil rights audit. Yes, sir. I have 2 professions, sir. This is my free time. No, not too much. Go home, shut your curtains.
But we're in public trying to do something, you're filming us.
You're in public. That's the key words. If you dare, go ahead. If you dare, yeah. You're gonna follow me to my house, is what you just said, right?
I said, would you mind if I follow you to your house and take a picture of your house?
If you dare to, yeah. You live here? Think about your stupid argument.
Why don't you guys get a life?
I have a life. I'm defending the Constitution of the United States right now.
You're an aggravation to most people that exist.
I'm an aggravation to most people that exist.
I exist. You're an aggravation to me.
How am I aggravating you?
Because you guys are taking pictures of me and I don't want my picture.
Go look at those 2 cameras up there.
Maybe you ought to call Largo police.
We just came from there. No, you're ignorant. You don't want to know the law. Well, exactly. That's ignorance. It's the definition of ignorance right there. I'm interested in that disgusting thing. That came out of your head. You calling the police, Beverly? There you go. He's got a flip phone. Cam back with a flip phone.
It's got a video
Yeah,
and it's actually got great pictures.
cool. It's your right.
I got my right to do that. You're right.
I'm not scared of a camera.
That's good. I'm glad. And I got both you and you.
Yep.
Have a good one, buddy. People say don't stay afloat.
Are you live? Gotcha. After you.
You're good. You don't ruin anything. Okay. You're perfect. Thank you very much.
What's it all about?
Civil rights.
Civil rights, yeah, they're freaking out about it.
We do this all over the country.
Close, sir.
Thank you for your professionalism, sir.
Calling the police.
I don't know. Beverly, did you call the police? please tell me so I don't take off and have them chase me. I'll wait for them if you did.
Oh, they're
Do you know if they did, Lee? Oh, they're here? Great.
Okay. Well, let me address this gentleman.
Hi.
How are you?
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Yes, Officer Kwiatkowska, badge number 525. That's
Kwiatkowska?
No, it's KWIATKOWSKA.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And what's your badge number?
525.
Perfect.
So, gentlemen, I understand that we got called out here because a lot of people are uncomfortable with you guys
Right. Yeah, now,
using cameras. Can you tell me more about what's going on here?
Sure.
On your part, your end.
right, we were just trying to bring to their attention this here. This is poster 7. Now, there it is. Photographs and news advertising commercial purposes, which protects us by law, federal law,
Okay.
to do this and conduct an audit and make sure that they're treating everybody in Largo as they should be treated. We did not engage anyone who did not engage us. They asked us simple questions. We cordially responded. Even the people who were being nasty, one gentleman was being nasty. We don't want to escalate. We de-escalate.
Sure. You know, it's the time that we live in that people are distrustful of everyone. It's just
Right.
the nature of the beast.
And we're trying to alleviate those fears by bringing it more to a ubiquitous level so people can be more comfortable with cameras. Do you have body cameras here in Largo
No,
PD?
we do not.
Do you want body cameras?
I'm impartial to it. Honestly, this wouldn't change my profession. You know,
Right.
this is-
Good answer.
We have a recorder in our vehicles.
Audio?
Yeah, audio and video that engages when we turn our lights up or when we have to interview someone.
Excellent.
Yes, we have a dash cam. So, how can we remedy to it? Obviously, I mean, you guys have your rights. I understand that.
Yeah.
Are you attempting to stay longer here and just?
No, they're about to close. Once they close, we'll leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have.
It's all confirmed with these guys if I can, if I'm videotaping.
Give me 1 second, sir. I'll address your concern in a second. Would you mind standing outside? Thank you. Okay. We have another officer.
That's the one who was being nasty to me.
Well,
And again-
we all know that when you're in a public place, you don't have expectations of privacy.
That's what I told him.
So, but you know, it's still concerning to folks for obvious reasons, especially with like fraud on the rise that
Right.
we deal with in the city. So you know, we have another officer who's the primary officer that will be probably approaching you and speaking to you about that.
And who's that?
Officer Blitz, she's
Okay.
coming on her way from the department.
Okay.
She should be here momentarily, but there's 5 o'clock traffic, so
Right.
we have.
Yeah, we told them that we would have been in and out, but they called you, so we decided to not have you chase us around, and we waited for you.
Well, I guess I appreciate that. 'Cause
Yeah.
then, you know,
I don't break the law.
you'll have-
We're
okay.
not breaking the law, we're just.
We defend the law. We defend the first law, ma'am. And the First Amendment to the Constitution allows us freedom of the press, which is protected right there. And that's what we were trying to explain in a calm manner. I have it all documented right here.
It's just unfortunate everybody uses you guys as feelings enforcement, making us feel comfortable about.
Well, it was also the fact that, you know, we've labeled this event as a disturbance just because it was causing an unrest because the way people were responding to you. Okay, so if there's a potential of some kind of disturbance occurring or generating or people aren't happy.
Not from this. You cannot criminalize a constitutionally protected act. So if our cameras, no, I know you're not, but if they're saying that this is what's causing the disturbance, they're the ones who are causing the disturbance by freaking out over this. I didn't not cause a disturbance.
No, I wasn't.
I don't want to go to jail.
No.
I have a couple kids
You
at home
didn't
waiting
do
for me.
anything. That's not what I was saying.
Right,
But I'm
right.
saying that the response to this was causing an arrest among the public, and that's just, you know,
Yeah.
the way things work out.
And that's why we do this. We want to educate people and let them know there's nothing to fear from this camera.
Okay.
Unless you have something to hide, there's nothing to fear.
Okay. That's Officer Blitz. She
Okay.
probably have just want to kind of touch bases with you guys, but other than that, obviously,
Can I ask you a personal question? Where's your name from, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm Polish.
Ja nie poнимаю по-polski.
Nie понимаю, that's Russian.
Russian is what I'm learning. I don't understand. I don't speak Polski. Ja nie говорю по-polski. Is that correct?
Я не понимаю and he's in it.
I don't understand. Right.
You guys are
Hello.
together.
Yes, we already had.
We're actually independent.
With them, so if you want to interview him, I'll just kind of upset about the situation.
Oh, I just.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'll let you talk to him if you guys want to have some time about what's going on.
Great. Thank you.
Okey-dokey. All right, what do you have?
They were just expressing the right to,
I'm sorry.
no, you're fine.
Oh, you're good, I can't hear.
To recording. He brought up to me that he's on the board and he has a right to be here in cameras and, he wasn't trying to be nasty in any way or cause unrest, but the way people responded, prompted them to kind of make to kind of stay on and then wanted to speak with us.
And
So-
you'll see, I tried to de-escalate at every step as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are those two cameras?
Yes, this is a 360 in case you go hands-on. I have proof of it.
Oh, no, I was just curious, I've never seen.
I know you're not gonna.
That's a hand?
Yeah, this is a $25, works a lot better than the $100 ones. It
That's
keeps it
what, I
steady.
have a tripod
It's
I
like
bought
a
from
microscope.
Amazon, it's like $15, but it looks
They were
Right.
saying, long story short, they were going to be leaving with the post office closing.
Right, and what's your name and badge number?
Officer Blitz, badge
522.
522.
Right on. Got it.
What time does the post office close?
I believe it's at 4:30 or 5:30, I'm sorry. Yeah, about a couple minutes, so I don't want to break the law. I want to get out of here.
All good.
Okay.
Good. You seem to be functioning within your rights. So
Yeah, and do you mind if I take one more sweep through?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Sure, you mind if I just follow behind you?
No, come on.
Just so.
I'll show you exactly what we did the first time.
Yeah. We were just standing here.
Okay.
I believe Lane started saying, hey, you can't film here. I said, no, sir, we can. It's on your poster. This gentleman was very professional. He said, I don't mind the cameras, which is wonderful. And then Beverly came out right here, and we explained to her that this is also allowed.
You're good with me?
Yep. But I don't get them all. That's why I carry this.
Are you guys just doing it to exercise your rights? Are you
Correct.
doing anything with the, I'm just curious.
Yes, we do. And you can look it up. Rights Crispy.
Rice Krispie.
No, you're right. Crispy, and I spell
Like
it
a play
correctly.
on words of Rice Krispie.
That's right, yeah. He's changing his name to Paparazzi.
That's cool.
Paparazzi.
Did you guys like stay up all night trying to think about a play on words?
No, it just comes to me.
Sounds fair.
Thank you, Adele, again, for your professionalism. Yep. Oh, yeah. Cool shirt. All right. Thanks again.
Yeah, sounds fair.
Okay, do we have the right to privacy?
Not in the public sector job, sir,
I don't have a public job, I have a postal job.
which is federal, public.
We're not federal,
Okay.
we're quasi-government at best.
And you're working for the people. We the people, sir. Have a good day, sir. Have a great weekend. I mean it.
It's honestly something that always happens to me because I've not had to do with that.
Take care, Officer Blitz. All right, I gotta get this.
It's not fun. Unfortunately, which they have.
Yeah. Thank you.
You guys close at what, 5:30? We are
Yep.
closed, all right.
Thank you. I'm leaving. Thank you for upholding the law. You look so familiar.
I don't know.
I don't break the law. It's from somewhere else.
I work here 5 days a week. It could be anything.
How long?
Since 2016.
Right on. And that's a special team response team. What is it? SWAT?
Yeah, Special Incident Response Team.
Oh, special. Okay. All right. So is that like a SWAT type of thing?
No, so our SWAT's called TAC.
Oh, okay.
This is like our crowd control, riot control team.
Oh, okay.
It's new within the last year.
What do you guys use for that?
Use?
Yeah, like
We're
for
just in the,
riot control.
the turtle suits, as we call them.
Okay. But no actual like offensive weapons or anything like
No.
beanbags?
I'm not trained on any of that.
Okay.
I understand.
So that's what we're doing.
You guys get accomplishment reports where you work?
I don't-
Commendation or
Well, I know I've seen sheriff's offices where it's like a point system, and they get like sometimes it's interdepartmental stuff that they write about. You know, thanks for helping us track the suspect or something like that. Sometimes it's like phone surveys.
excuse me, I'm disengaged.
But I just didn't know if they had it for the PD guy.
Anyway, so you have a good day.
Have a good weekend, Harry.
Plates and all that.
All right. Do you guys have any questions for us? Or
No, no. It's
Are you going with me?
Pivo
I'm gonna
time.
Put some notes for you as well, because I've talked to the manager.
Yeah. Pivo time.
Okay.
So our stories didn't differ that much. Theirs was a little bit more emotional, but
No, it wasn't about difference in the story. He just said that folks got upset. That's all.
yeah, and we tried to de-escalate as well.
Yeah, he wasn't. He didn't even get that far because
Yeah.
it was just about people getting upset, and that's really when someone gets upset, you can't tell them to calm down.
Right.
You know.
It was that one guy, and I was trying to tell him, sir, this is for our protection. You know, we want to make sure that our rights are protected.
Well, this would be an adjustment because
Yeah.
the culture has changed and it's a completely different world. So
Understandable.
we're going to have to figure it out as it comes, you know?
Right. And I think this can help people remember we are the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks. You guys have a wonderful
You
weekend.
as well.
Thank you as well. Be safe out there.
Yep.
I'm going to put it in a different time.
Is that open? I just close it with a butt. Do they got any blue line flags on the cars? Besides the one on the side?
She had one on the bottom of the magazine in her pistol.
Who? Blitz?
Yep. Miss, can I bother you for one more thing? Do you have any hand sanitizer?
I do.
Thank you. Thank you. Just a little squirt. Thanks.
Is that good?
That's perfect.
All right.
You passed. It's another thing I always audit police. See if anybody gives me a hand sanitizer.
Oh, we always have it. It's a necessity.
I know.
There's a lot of
Band-Aids
people
and all that. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. You passed. A plus 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 plus. She's driving away. Yeah.
All right, 2 officers taking a 10-8.
You can do it, Blitz. I got faith in you.
Oh, I know who she looked like. Huh? No, they do. They actually came to defend our rights. The post office didn't understand. Their own poster says that for news and photograph purposes, we're allowed to go in there. They started snowflaking out, and they called the police. They called 911.
Well, that's stupid. They could lock up police and just call them out.
Yeah.